Now I'm going to talk about biology, especially applications used in biological systems. The biological system does not always stay the same, but it evolves. Biology engineering is the next level of engineering. Nowadays, scientists rewrite DNAs by cutting the pieces, and can create new organisms, so they can engineer and design nature. While scientists could only cut and paste DNA from one organism to another 40 years ago, they can now write and synthesize DNA to create new organisms with new techniques. If these organisms have a bacterium, when they go to the lab tomorrow, they will see millions of bacteria. Besides, scientists are building a cellular factory and cultivating millions of bacteria, based on one bacterium. People also want to see a natural world in the future.